Hi everyone! Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to quickly show you how to book Amtrak train tickets online. So whether you're traveling for business or for leisure, booking your tickets is fast and simple. Let's jump right in. First, go to Amtrak's official website, which is amtrak.com, and you should be able to see this. You will see a clear booking form right onto the homepage wherein you can select the destination as well as the origin. You can also select the departure date as well as a end date. So let's choose in here the from. For example, let's choose in here Washington, D.C. And then let's choose in here other destination that we want. For example, let's go to New York. Now, choosing here departure date. So, for example, I'll choose next week, and then I will return next week. So, just choosing here which one you want to actually utilize for this case, and click on done. After that, click on this find trains option. Now, in here, this will load in order to show us some trains that we can book. We have in here some options. We have in here from the morning, and we also have until the night. So just choose which train you want. For example, for this case, I'll head over and then choose in here this Northeast Regional. I'll head over and then choose this one. And then once you have chosen which one you want right here, you can choose from coach or business as well. I'll just choose in here the $142 and then click onto this add to cart. You can also choose how many passengers you will be booking as well. Now, from in there, you can head over and then see it already. It's already been added to your cart. So what you can do is you can just head over and click on continue right here in order to continue to check out. You also select a return option. Click on continue. And then from in there, you can head over and then just input the passenger informations from this case. So you can also add some items like pets, bicycles, as well as legs, and click on continue right here. They have some baggage details that you also need to read as well. Now from in there, just input the actual details of yourself. You can also join the guest rewards and you can share a travel plan. And then once you have done that, you can head over and proceed to the payment. And after that, you can now get the boarding pass based on this. And that's it. You've successfully booked your abstract ticket. Safe travels, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you on the next one.